How to log your entire Facebook profile. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can log up your Facebook profile. But before getting there, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you just have to go ahead and tap on the menu icon and just tap on your profile right here. Or what you can do is directly go ahead and tap on the profile picture right here to open up your profile. Now, in order to lock your profile, first thing you need to do is make sure that your professional mode is turned off. Because if you have your professional mode turned on, you won't be able to find this lock profile option. So just go ahead and turn off the professional mode. And after doing that, you can just tap on lock profile and lock up your profile. Only your friends will be able to see your posts and stories on your profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.